Now direction ratio of a line. After direction cosine, what direction ratio is? Now definition. A set of three numbers proportional to the direction cosine of a line are called direction ratios. Direction ratio, or it is denoted by like this, and are denoted A, B and C. So we are having, what are the direction ratios? A, B and C are the direction ratios. Now if L, M, N are the direction cosines of a line, then RL, RM, RN are the direction ratios of the same line for any non-zero scalar r. Now what we have written, what are the direction ratios? Direction ratios denoted by A, B and C are the numbers proportional to the direction cosines.